First exercise.
Proper form and technique are important for this exercise, including sitting on the floor with legs extended, engaging core muscles, and maintaining proper leg alignment. Equipment alternatives such as a mat, towel, or chair can be used for support and stability during the exercise. The step-by-step guide involves lifting one leg out to the side, lowering it back down, and repeating with the other leg. Cool down.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Second exercise.
Double knee drive improves core strength and hip mobility. Proper form and technique are important for maximizing the benefits of the exercise. Preparing for the exercise with warm-up and stretching reduces the risk of injury. Engaging core muscles is crucial for stability and effectiveness in double knee drive. Cool down.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Third exercise.
Sitting lotus pose, twisting front back tap, improves spinal flexibility and enhances core strength. This pose promotes relaxation and mindfulness, releasing tension in the spine, shoulders, and hips. It increases range of motion and overall flexibility, improves digestion and detoxification, and stimulates the nervous system. Proper alignment, modifications, and listening to your body are important for practicing this pose safely and effectively. Cool down.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Fourth exercise.
Twisting crunch is a beneficial exercise for female fitness enthusiasts as it increases core strength and improves flexibility in abdominal muscles. It engages obliques for a comprehensive core workout and enhances range of motion and overall flexibility. Twisting crunch can be incorporated into a full body workout routine for a well-rounded fitness regimen. Cool down.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Fifth exercise.
High knee tap exercise improves cardiovascular endurance. It strengthens lower body muscles such as quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and hip flexors. Engaging core muscles is a key aspect of the high knee tap exercise. High knee tap enhances balance and coordination. Cool down.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Sixth exercise.
Proper form and technique are essential for performing the lying bicycle crunch effectively and safely. Avoid common mistakes such as relying on momentum, straining the neck or back, and not fully extending the legs. The lying bicycle crunch engages multiple muscle groups, strengthens and tones the abdominal muscles, improves core stability and balance, and enhances overall athletic performance. The exercise can be modified to suit different fitness levels, from beginners to advanced, and can be incorporated into various workout routines for optimal results. Cool down.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Last exercise.
Opposite crunches target the lower abdominal muscles. Opposite crunches engage the hip flexors and lower back muscles. Opposite crunches can be progressed by straightening the legs or adding resistance. Combining opposite crunches with traditional crunches creates a well-rounded core workout.